So I just wanted to make a quick clip. Now, I've got this Kia that was repaired a couple of years ago, and the guard was painted with crystal blue, and you can tell that the colours, I hope the camera picks it up alright, when you buy the paint from the store, all you've got to go by is K9 for a colour code. K9 comes in 3 different colours, so I went with the middle one, which was the crystal blue, and you can see the crystal blue, and hopefully the camera shows it enough, is different to the original colour. So you got the crystal blue, original colour, crystal blue was painted on there as well. Hopefully that shows up enough so you can see that. You see the bonnet as well, between there and there. So I thought I might make a little clip doing some repairs. Had another front end accident recently, just a minor one, but enough to go back and redo everything. And we're going to paint it with the right colour this time. So we thought we'll get all 3 colours and I'll do a test sample to find out what colour is what. So you got the 3 different colours there. You got the glacier blue light on the left, crystal blue in the middle, and the glacier blue dark on the right. When we put the guard up against the colour codes here, glacier blue light is the colour we should have gone for, not the crystal blue. The darker one probably would have been a better blend to the light anyway, but so it's going to be repainted with the correct colour this time. And I'll put the numbers there. They're the only numbers that are on the cans. So you got the glacier blue light, and this is from Super Cheap Auto, local auto store near me. So you got the 172853 for light, or 172852 for the dark. And these are the numbers that they wrote on the cans. So 2 of the cans didn't have the GA code, and the glacier blue did. So if you're wanting to paint and you don't know what colour your car is, hopefully seeing the different colour codes here will help. There's a 2007 Kia Grand Carnival. That's what I just wanted to show you. Just something really quick, and might help you out. Cheers.